Sai and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the screen flickering issue comparison test between the iQOO Z3 versus the iQOO 7 device. So yes friends, this is a question which was asked by a lot of users. The reason is because the iQOO 7 is actually facing the screen flickering issue while you're recording. So you cannot see it with your eyes, but while you're using any kind of camera, only then you will be able to see this kind of screen flickering issues, as you can see friends. So for this video, plenty of users did comment and they did ask me to compare with the other iQOO device. So right now I do have this kind of iQOO Z3 device. So let's compare with the iQOO Z3. So will the iQOO Z3 have the same kind of problem or not? That is what we'll try to check in this video. So make sure to comment below friends in case if your device is actually having this kind of problem or not. So this is not that big issue, but definitely this flickering issue will be a little bit kind of straining your eyes as well when you're trying to watch the mobile phone. That is one thing which a lot of users they did say in the comments. So now let's see friends, which phone will be having the more screen flickering issues when comparing side by side. I'll try to use it with the full brightness under direct sunlight, so then we'll be able to see exactly absolutely which phone is flickering and which phone doesn't have the flickering issues. As you can see friends, right now I'm in the exactly outdoors, so I came here to test the 4G connectivity and speed test as well, and I thought of testing the outdoor sunlight visibility. As you can see friends, right now you can see the flickering issue which is going on. So same iQOO 7 device only I'm trying to use. I'm using with the full brightness right now, and I did enable the low brightness anti-flickering option as well. So even after enabling that kind of option, still I'm getting the flickering. You can clearly see right now. So I'll try to compare the side by side with other smartphones, so you will be able to exactly judge how much the problem is actually. So as I said, you won't be able to see with the eyes, but you can clearly see right now I'm trying to use the iQOO Z3 model. The brightness is really low, that's not the problem, but there is no flickering is happening in the iQOO Z3. You can clearly see friends, and I'll try to compare with the OnePlus 9R as well. So even with the OnePlus 9R also you did not see any kind of problem. Let me try to grab the OnePlus 9. As you can see friends, with the full brightness, no issues with the OnePlus 9R as well. As you can see, only it is found in the iQOO 7 device right now. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you are facing this kind of problems or not. As you can see, enabling and disabling. So as you can see friends, after watching the video you got a clear idea. The screen flickering problem is only there in the iQOO 7 device. I did not find even in the OnePlus 9R. I did not find in the iQOO Z3 as well. So even in the Realme X1 Max also there is no screen flickering problem, even in the Mi 11X as well. So this can be only visible while recording the phone itself in the outdoor. That is what one thing I just want to confirm you all. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more details in case if you have any other queries, and don't forget to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.